Is UC Analytics the missing layer in your business? Most companies believe they have visibility into their UC environment. But, in reality, what they typically have is uptime monitoring, and not true operational intelligence. Platforms like Microsoft Teams and Cisco WebEx may be up and running, but that only tells a fraction of the story. The real question, whether the UC environment is delivering value, efficiency, and return on investment, often goes unanswered. This is where a critical visibility gap emerges. IT teams are generally able to confirm service availability, core connectivity, and system health. However, they often lack insight into how the platform is being used, how effectively it is being adopted across the business, and whether the investment is delivering measurable outcomes. In other words, organizations are monitoring the technology, but not the value it creates. That gap has real financial consequences. And one of the most common and least visible issues in UC environments is license waste. Organizations routinely over-provision licenses, assign premium tiers to users who do not need them, or fail to reclaim unused seats when employees change roles or leave. On the surface, everything appears operationally sound, but underneath, budget is being silently eroded through underutilization and inefficiency. The same applies to adoption. Without analytics that go beyond uptime, it becomes difficult to understand whether users are truly engaging with the tools provided. Features may be underused, meetings may be unnecessarily long or inefficient, and collaboration patterns may indicate friction that is never addressed. The result is a UC environment that looks successful from an infrastructure perspective, but is underperforming from a business perspective. The problem isn't a lack of data. It is a lack of the right layer of intelligence to connect that data to outcomes. This is where UC Analytics becomes essential. It shifts organizations from reactive management, where issues are addressed after users complain or tickets are raised, to predictive and proactive management, where patterns are identified early and acted upon before they become problems. Instead of responding to incidents, IT teams can begin to anticipate them. And, instead of guessing where inefficiencies exist, they can be clearly identified and measured. Just as importantly, UC Analytics reframes the conversation from technical performance to business value. For CFOs and IT leaders alike, the key question is no longer, is the system working? But are we getting the return we expected from it? That shift is powerful because it connects UC performance directly to cost control, productivity, and strategic investment decisions. When organizations can see usage, adoption, and licensing efficiency in real time, they gain the ability to actively manage cost rather than simply report on it after the fact. This enables better forecasting, more accurate budgeting, and a far clearer understanding of where value is being created or lost. This is the missing layer in most UC environments. Without it, enterprises remain blind to the true performance of their communication systems. With it, UC becomes something far more valuable, a measurable, optimizable business asset. VOS UC Analytics provides this missing layer to our customers by unifying operational data, usage insights, and cost intelligence into a single view. We enable organizations to move beyond basic monitoring and into a model of continuous optimization, where decisions are driven by real-time evidence rather than assumption. The result is a shift in control. UC is no longer something you simply maintain. It becomes something you actively manage for value. See how VOS UC Analytics can help you close the visibility gap and connect UC performance to your business outcomes. Contact us today.